I'm here with
Miss Bell. Is it hard to come up with fresh new ideas? Of course, we have 1,000 students. So our ASB students get their inspiration from, obviously we look at social media. Our inspiration from you guys, the students. You guys play a huge part in our inspiration. In the future, we plan on outreaching to you students in homeroom and getting your feedback. We want to bring that energy to the forefront. ASB can plan the events, but it is the student body that makes these events come to life. That it takes you in order to make that possible.
Alumni faculty honor Sadies by sharing their experience and offering some advice to the Lancers.
Mrs. Farza. So the Sadies that I attended was my freshman year here and my sophomore year. Both of them were actually at Knott's Berry Farm, and also to just the experience of trying to coordinate outfits, and then also the girl asking the guy. That really helped the students start expressing what they want. So to just speak your voice, and then also to just actually show up for Amont too. That's the big thing.
Mr. George. So I attended Sadie's all 4 years. So the first couple years, it was at Knott's Berry Farm. And then my junior and my senior year, it was on campus. It was really good. I got to go to multiple Sadie's with my now wife. Because that was always the best thing about Sadie's was, it's the dance where the girl asks the guy. Because that's, a lot of guys have to deal with that pressure all the time of like, oh, you're the one asking out the girl, asking her to the dance, something where, flip that, good opportunity.
Lastly, students share what they would want to see for future events.
Mason the Club, amusement field trip, Universal or like Six Flags.
Ava, Emily. I think maybe like a freshman. Yeah, like a class field trip. Like maybe to like Disneyland or like Universal.
Just like eating contest.
Pie contest.
Henry Marquez. Diego. Nick. Dominic. 3v3 basketball tournament. Winter formals. Basketball tournament. Make it happen. 3v3.
Okay. Many of the students are excited for next year. Only time will tell when new and exciting events will be added, so stay tuned.